Minecraft. I really don't like this game. Yet somehow this blocky pixelated world has enchanted millions of children and adults alike with over 350 million copies sold. It's a universe where creativity knows no bounds. And then I saw something that threw me for a loop, the teaser for the Minecraft movie. If you think the game is strange, brace yourself. The film looks even more bizarre. It left me wondering if it's the next step in the world obsession or just a wild attempt to push the boundaries of the weirdness.
What the hell?
So, I'm gonna give you my general thoughts of it. I am honestly still in shock after watching the Minecraft movie trailer. Now, I'll admit I've never been a fan of Minecraft. But that's a story for another day. That being said, I have never hated it either. Yet here I am watching this movie and wondering why. Why are they giving us another ugly Sonic situation? I expected something more whimsical, more cartoony, but instead we are getting this strange mashup of live action that just feels off. It begins with a new portal leading into the game, not from a PC, which would have at least made some sense. And suddenly, you are dropped into this world, a pixelated blocky landscape. Sure, that's what you expect, but then the clouds. They are blocky, yes, but covered in fur. As a former Minecraft player, I can't help but feel disappointed. It's like they have taken something that should have been a tribute to the game's charm and turned it into something unrecognizable. I wanted to see something more faithful to the world I once explored. Not this strange, jarring interpretation. No offense to anyone, but personally, I would absolutely love it if they made an entire movie featuring our beloved YouTube characters. Imagine seeing them on the big screen. It would be a game changer, far more appealing than some of the stuff out there. Wait, what is this? Oh my god, I'm speechless.
What the hell?
That's exactly how I feel. You nailed it, young lady. But honestly, I just can't relate to it at all. And now, here comes another crazy stunt with buckets. I have to give credit to the CGI team. They did a fantastic job. But still, I can't connect with it. And then the piglings, portrayed as the main villains, are somehow both dangerous and cute. Really? Guys, if you want us to be thrilled by the trailer, the least you could do is craft one that's actually exciting. Where's the hype? Where's the tension? I can't see it. And now, here comes the moment we have all been waiting for. Steve, our favorite character. But honestly, this isn't what I clicked on the trailer to see. But what on earth happened to their wardrobe? Why does everyone look like they raided a bargain bin of bad fashion choices? It's like they are setting themselves for another Sonic level disaster. It's just me, or does anyone else feel this way? Anyways, I am here to vent my thoughts. If you asked me whether I would watch this movie, my answer is definite no. And even if I somehow got free passes, well, no. Just no. That's its fault. Let's hope the Minecraft movie team hands out colorblind glasses to help viewers survive the assault of Steve and other players' garish outfits. Because whoa, my eyes can't take it. And if you guys want to know about my story why I don't like Minecraft, let me know in the comment section.
Who are you?
I am Steve.
Anything you can dream about here, you can make.